Secondary flight control surfaces are additional control surfaces on an aircraft that assist in controlling its movement and stability. While primary flight control surfaces, ailerons, elevators, and rudder, are responsible for the main control of roll, pitch, and yaw, secondary flight control surfaces provide supplementary control and enhance the aircraft's performance. Here are some examples of secondary flight control surfaces. Flaps. Flaps are hinged surfaces located on the trailing edge of the wings. They can be extended or retracted to change the wing's shape and increase lift during takeoff and landing. By increasing the wing area and changing its camber, flaps allow the aircraft to fly at lower speeds and steeper descent angles. Spoilers. Spoilers are deployed on the wings to disrupt the smooth airflow and reduce lift. They are typically used as speed brakes during descent and landing, helping to decrease airspeed and increase the rate of descent. Additionally, spoilers can be used differentially to assist in roll control and to counteract the rolling effect during certain flight conditions. Leading edge slats. Slats are located on the leading edge of the wings and can be extended or retracted. When deployed, they change the shape of the wing, increasing its camber and leading to higher lift at lower speeds. Slats are particularly beneficial during takeoff and landing or when flying at high angles of attack. Trim tabs. Trim tabs are small, adjustable surfaces attached to the trailing edge of primary control surfaces, such as the elevator or rudder. They allow the pilot to make fine adjustments to the neutral position of the control surface to achieve balanced flight. By adjusting the trim tabs, the pilot can relieve control pressure and maintain the desired attitude without continuous input. Winglets. Winglets are vertical or near vertical extensions at the wingtips. They reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency by reducing the vortices generated by the wingtips. Winglets also contribute to increased stability and control during flight, particularly in reducing the tendency for roll. Stabilators. Stabilators, also known as all-moving tailplanes, are control surfaces that combine the functions of the horizontal stabilizer and elevator. Instead of having separate horizontal stabilizers and elevators, stabilators allow for pitch control by moving the entire surface. This design is often seen in some aircraft, such as military jets. These secondary flight control surfaces provide additional control capabilities to the pilot, improve aircraft performance, and enhance flight characteristics in different flight regimes. They play a crucial role in maintaining stability, maneuverability, and control throughout various phases of flight.